Good morning, it's me, Maggie, on a beautiful August, getting ready for my gardens for this winter. Here in the South, we do our vegetables in the fall and winter, so I'm gonna rip out last year's stuff, transplant my trees I started, my avocado trees, get this all cleaned up, and I got new flower beds to put in here. Well, I'm gonna use them as vegetable beds, but you know what I mean. The raised beds I got 2 years ago, the plastic is starting to disintegrate here in Florida, so I'm gonna try metal ones. But our first step is get all this cleared out. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so next, just got that back area cleared out where I'm gonna put the new bed. I'm gonna assemble the new bed in the garage. And you're like, why? Then you have to carry it all the way there. Because it's 90 degrees out already and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. So I got the plant and pot from Amazon. I'll leave the info on it. It's one of those metal raised garden beds. It's supposed to be like 2 foot by 4 foot by like, let's say how? 2 foot by 4 foot. Oh, this would have been good if I had read it. 2 foot by 4 foot by 1 foot. So it's only supposed to be 1 foot high. So, but I'm gonna assemble it. I will leave the camera running while I assemble it right here, but there won't be any sound because I'm gonna have the fan blowing on me because, again, like I said, it's 90 degrees. And I realize I'm like crooked, aren't I? I'm looking at the camera, I'm going this way. Here we are. So I'm gonna shut off the mic so you don't have to hear the fan, and I'm going to get working on this. So I'll be back. Okay, so it's finished. It took me just about an hour to do, and I'm slow building these things because I always mess them up. I always have to go back at least twice and fix something. So even me, it only took an hour. I do have 2 extra screws and nuts, which concern me, but maybe they're extra. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get ready to set it all up in the backyard. So I'll meet you back there.
Hey there. So as you can see, the microphone didn't get better. So editor Maggie's here talking about how I had to clear everything away and get a flat surface there, trying to make it as level as I can. Okay, make sure to wear gloves because this is a metal and you don't want to get all cut on it. So, and it needs to be 4 foot. You need to have plenty of space. So next I'm going to do is, I don't know if you follow Anna of All Trades, but she has this great lazy gardener thing, and I'm trying to do it like my way. So I'm talking about how I've got some compost I'm going to try, and I'm starting with the cardboard. And she recommends putting the cardboard down. I think she does it for weed barrier, but I'm hoping it'll hold moisture too, and maybe keep bunnies out of it too. Now this is that spinning composter I did a review on before. Spoiler alert, it sucks. Florida heat, I don't know. The only thing it accomplished was just making me mad. You could see, I tried everything. I couldn't figure out how to dump it out. I wasn't gonna put my hand in there because it was full of bugs and everything. So, to say the least, I was not happy about the whole thing. So, but there I am, trying to get it all in there. Yeah. Succeeding really well. Can't you tell? Don't I look so overjoyed? I had put dead wood and the old hot pepper plants and stuff down there at the bottom of it because it's really just, you know, filling up space and it's gonna break down. And in between each layer I'm wetting it down too to try to build up that moisture so that hopefully everything will stay nice and wet. But yeah, Do you feel my frustration yet? Can you guess what curse words I'm using yet? Let me tell you.
Okay, so that spinning composter thing is junk. Add to the last video.
As you can tell, I am just losing my crap over this stupid thing. I'm still ranting about it.
Okay, I'm back.
As you can tell, I'm not back. The battery just won't hold up to 100+ degree heat. I'm just talking about all the layers I had in there, and I think everything's wet enough, and I'm going to start planning next morning because I was hot and tired.
Good morning. So, new morning, new shirt, still grubby. So I've got some flowers, some basil, and eggplants I'm going to plant in here. And I know you're going, this doesn't seem much like a vegetable garden. These, it's going to sound terrible, are my sacrificial plants. We have a bunny issue. Main reason why I only grow cactuses in my flower beds is because bunnies eat everything. So I'm going to plant these first while I have my seedlings starting and growing to see if this is high enough or if I'm still going to have to put a fence around this too. So that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to get these in the ground. Thank you for joining me this week as we start our winter vegetable garden. See you soon. Bye.